You searched how to buy shares of StoneX Group Inc. StoneX Group Inc. is a financial services company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SNEX, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy SNEX, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can make a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SNEX to find StoneX Group Inc. Confirm the result matches the company name and NASDAQ listing before opening the asset page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to check recent movement. Make sure the company name, exchange, and ticker SNEX match the listing you intend to buy. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until next open, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description below for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same steps.